that it was good. They treated like a children's. It was homely atmosphere for us. We didn't had an courage to talk on this stage also. I'm just standing here and talking with you because of the support and cooperation which you have given to us. Thank you. At last, I wish Banari Amma Institute to have its own university and launch many institutes across the state, and not only the state and also in other states also. At last, I want to say ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. I meant இந்த மண்ணுக்கு எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். Thank you.
Hello, good evening to one all present here. My name is Sangamesh and I am from Textile Department. The quality of the men's life is directly proportional to their commitment towards excellence, regardless of any department they choose. I would like to say you the commitment I have seen of all the students from first year to fourth year for making this event a grand success. Congrats to you all. Nobody can rock like you all guys. And when I came to this event first I thought of just winning and going. But I'm saying you, I learned a lot more than winning in the competition. I learned how to judge a opponent. I learned the hospitality what you all gave us. And since studying in North India, I got an idea from North Indians how you people cared for them right from their stay to their rest to their food. Seriously, it was mind-blowing, guys. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. It would be very bad if I don't congratulate all the board members. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for arranging this from Tamil Nadu, from DKT College, DKT Maharashtra. Thank you so much, guys. To end with my speech, ஒரு மனிதன் வாழ்வில் விழாமல் வாழ்வதே பெரிதல்ல, எப்பொழுதும் விழுந்த போதும் எழுந்து நிற்பதே பெரிது. வணக்கம்.
Good evening, one and all. Respected Honorable Chief Guest, Chairman, Principal, HOD, and all the friends sitting around. First of all, I am thanking to all the people who worked behind the Futura, 15th Futura 2013. I am saying lots and lots of thanks for the members, as well as the teachers, as well as the heads, everyone. And I am Alifal Salim. I am coming from Kerala, St. Kitts College of Engineering, final year students. And me and my team came up with a product called Wheelchair. And for God's grace, we got second prize in the project competition. And all the credits goes to my team and to my God, my college, and especially to my judges also. And anyway, and let me speak about the college. I'm coming from Kerala, so I have gone through all the colleges in Kerala with my projects. And let me frankly speak, this college is excellent. And a huge hats off to all the teachers and especially the chairman who brought up this college to this much higher level. And we reached here on Monday early morning at 6 a.m. And at that time itself, we saw all the students who were sitting at the gate itself for helping us, for guiding us. And lots of thanks for all the members who guided us and for helping us. We got a huge help from all the members. We got very good friends from here, very good friends and very good accommodation and very good food. And lots of thanks from everyone and from my team also. Thank you so much.
Thank you all. May we now request Dr. M.P. Vijay Kumar, Trustee, Banari Amman Educational Trust, to deliver the special address.
Dear students, distinguished invitees, it's always a pleasure, it's always an eternal pleasure to talk to students it is youth, it is energy, it is enthusiasm. What we learned from some of our friends who have come from other states about the feedback of Futura, I need not repeat. I have been seeing in the last 3 days, it was enthusiasm everywhere. The whole campus seems to be vibrating with enthusiasm. There were reverberations. Now, what made Futura success? Now, I would like to take just about 5-6 minutes time to recapitulate with you what made this event such a big success and what next. What made this performance succeed? There is only one reason. Because the entire event was organized by you. The entire event, right from day one, it was meticulously planned and it was executed with razor edge precision. When a workshop has to start at 9:30, it started at 9:30. When it had to end at 1 o'clock, it ended at 1 o'clock. When the lunch, and you just imagine the number, it's mind-boggling number. About 3,000 to 4,000 participants, visitors every day. Our chairman was mentioning that when he visited the kitchen, they were cooking for 8,000 people. You just imagine receiving so many number of guests, giving them food, taking care of them is no mean task. And this extraordinary feat has been possible because of you. You planned, you executed, and entire credit of success of Futura should go to the students of Banari Amman, who has organized. Now what next? Now we have a clue for success now. We know what will succeed and what will not succeed. If we involve students, if we involve you in every activity of our academic culture, things will change. So this is a lesson we draw. Therefore, in fact, even last year itself, we have been planning that how do we engage students in every branch of our academic activity. This is one thing. Secondly, now the success, the word success, it is not a destination. It's a process. Now, when we have done well, there is further scope for improvement, both in terms of participation and quality. The judges who came and evaluated our projects, they shared this idea. They said, we have done well, but they also said, sir, there is scope for improvement. Now, let us just think for a while, how do we improve? Now, what is this project on paper all about? When you want to write a paper or formulate a project, what is important? The fundamentals of writing a paper or formulating a project is an idea. The freedom given for intellectual engagement was mainly responsible. So we can keep on talking about Britain and Industrial Revolution. The simple point I would like to highlight, if you want democracy to survive, if you want democracy outside the classroom, there has to be democracy in the classroom. This process of understanding the subject, discussion, and analysis, thinking skills, they are very critical. With the grace of God, we have an excellent system in place in our classrooms. You may also all be aware that our classrooms are no more monotonous lectures. It's vibrant. There is room for discussion. There is space for interaction. Kindly make use of it. Chairman was mentioning the focus. Unless you have focus in life, now coming up in life is very difficult. Now only one focus for you is to acquire knowledge using the classroom. Discussion in the classroom. Acquiring skills of thinking in the classroom. Bypassing classroom, this can never happen. My appeal to all our faculty members, let us all take the classroom seriously. Once all of us take the classroom very seriously, things will certainly change and everything will fall in its place. So again, I would like to congratulate for all those students who have made this future a grand success. It is because of you. The college is earning a good name. You heard the feedback from some of the friends. They are all wishing us that we must become university. The Vice Chairman UGC is here. I think he would have taken the signal. And this is what, not the wish of the management, the wish of every student studying here. We would like to grow and ensure a glorious future to everyone studying here. Thank you.